Industry experts will play a major role in guiding the students at NRI Institute of Technology towards their professional goals. Interactive sessions with senior industry professionals from the leading MNCs like HCL Technologies, Infosys are a part and parcel of academic program at NRI IT. These lectures are like the eye openers for the techno savvy students, especially for first year engineering graduates. Let us have some glimpses of these interactive moments.
Today why we are here because I think we already started learning about it from the college bags, right? Why you are carrying the college bags? Story?
Books,
Only books? Books,
stationery.
laptops, your personal things, everything you are trying to be stored. So your college bag itself having the segregation of four parts, like first part for your personal things, second should be like your books, third should be like your laptop, and the last one should be like your wish. So the same way, the things what you are trying to be put it into the bag is called as data. Like bags, books, laptops, everything is data. What is the bag then? Variable. That is called the container. It uses to be store the data. That is whatever the things you are trying to be hide from the outside world, that is called as data. The data that you are trying to be put it into the thing is called as variable. The variable itself is called as bag here. The things is called as data. For example, one more example I can give it as, if you want to break juice or something else, how you guys are going to be doing? By glass. We have a glass. What is the glass there?
Wearable.
What is the purpose of glass? If you want to pour something else into the glass itself is a variable. Whatever the juice you are pour into the glass is called as a data. Right? So variable data. You got the definition now? Everything, whatever you are trying to be learning from the textbook, that is not the textbook definitions, you just remember it. You just compare it with your real-time scenarios for the day-to-day, then only you may able to get it the concepts. Someone having the different types of a mindset, and then even though for the UA perspective as a someone likes Chrome, someone likes Mozilla, it has a different opinions. Currently, what's on your desktop? Windows, right? Like someone even the really on the project basis, someone is really like on the Ubuntu, someone is really like on the Linux. It's not about the Windows. So if you can able to code it even on the Linux, we can able to, that code should be executed even on Windows. That compatibility matrix is there for the Python. That means it should be acceptable for all of the operating systems, and then it should be compatible for all of the browsers. That's why we are able to choose Python over the remaining all other languages like Java and all. So most of you guys are using the desktop apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, right? Both are different usually. Previously, what is the case? Few of the apps we can't even able to download it from the desktop. It's not supported the language actually. But now even Python can able to download all of your apps from mobile, even from desktop. We can able to log in the Zoom from desktop. The same Zoom app we can able to log in from mobile app. These compatibilities all should be having the Python characteristics. That's why even now industry itself is supporting the Python over the remaining all languages.
కరెక్ట్గానే
How
వస్తుంది.
do you understand? If you are sick, it's okay. Don't disturb us. Okay, let me ask you a few questions. I think you have completed your classes, right? What is variable?
Wearable is a name.
I don't want a group answers. Just speak little louder. Clear, clarity answer. I think. What is variable? So, I am not asking about what is the purpose of variable. I am just clearly asking what is variable. Variable is
A name.
container. What is container? What is the purpose of it then?
Store state.
For storing it. I need a real
variable is something.
I need real day-to-day example of the variable that you are trying to be learning from your textbook. Students in your class, for the project perspective or even in the companies, it could be more than 5 lakh, 4 lakh employees, then how they guys can manage? If they can purchase or something else, they can maintain or they can give dollar of money or they can spend dollar of money of that software alone, then they can't even survive in the markets. That's why if the software itself is a free resource, then only we can able to choose the first thing. As a Python is a free open resource. That's why we can able to choose the Python over Java and the remaining other languages. What else you might think that Python can we can able to choose? Second thing that could be acceptable, what you said that is true. It could be computer. Most of the database, all those things. Before you get into those things, we just have to learn about the characteristics of the Python. What you guys have learned about those things? First and foremost thing should be, it could be a free resource. Second thing should be, so you all guys are using the social media websites. What social media guys is? WhatsApp, YouTube, Snapchat,
Instagram.
Insta. So have you ever think about what is at the back end? All of the social media websites currently on the back end are using Python. Even though along with Instagram, YouTube, all should be now migrated to Python because of the Python characteristics. Like Python can be an easy resource that easily downloadable, easily maintain the code resources, and then third could be a simple syntaxes. Like we can able to remember easily and then we can able to modify. I think you all have learned about the interpreter, right? What is interpreter?
Changes. High level.
I am asking what is the purpose of interpreter? What is interpreter? Before you get it. What is interpreter in English? It's just a translator. You guys have a holiday or vacation. You want to or you wish to see any of the Tamil Nadu or Bandra, even in Tamil Nadu, Tamil. Then how you guys may able to communicate those people? Translate. You can just check those things or you can just take a snapshot of those things. You may not understand whatever the things you may not understand, you can just take those things and use the Google Lens or something or Google Translate. Right? What is the translator then? It just convert your language and then their language and then based on your input it should give the output. The same translator is called as the interpreter here. Whatever you are trying to communicate to the mission, that could be converted to the mission language. That is what I think you learn the definition as high level, low level, something you learn from the next one. That is what the real meaning of the interpreter. It's just a translator that it could be converted our language to mission language. It acts as a translator in between you and mission. You understand now? Next characteristic. So it is not a sufficient actually. Python having the many libraries, Python having the